Hi there, I'm Nick and I'm a member of the Unique Windows team, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust a UPVC door. As you can see here, this door isn't shutting properly, so we're going to make a few adjustments on the hinge to realign the door sash and to get it operating properly again. The first thing we need to do is to undo the screws on the back edge of the flagged hinge. Okay, so once you've undone the screws, we now need to pop off the cover which is on the front of the hinge. So we're going to take the Allen key and apply some pressure onto this point here on the hinge. And the hinge cover is now popped off, and we can close the door up and adjust the hinge. Okay, now we've undone the hinge cover, we can now pull this back, and here you'll see where the adjustment plate is. What we do is we take the right sized Allen key, insert it in, one direction to go to the left, the other direction to go to the right. Depending on what way your door is dropped will depend on what way you need to adjust the hinge. Pull that over, and now check the door. You open it, close it back in. As simple as that, the door is now working again. Okay, as we did at the start, we undid the cover, we now need to redo it up. So don't forget to do the screws up once you've adjusted the door. And there we have it, we're finished.